you better do it soon. No time we better. A word and she won't say a Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't be scared. You got the mood prepared. Go on and kiss the girl.
Hey guys, so I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial. So don't worry, I am wearing a bathing suit. I know I look naked right now, but that's because I'm doing a Little Mermaid inspired video. But I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna go right into the eyes, and I'm going to do that super quick so we can get into the fun part. So just enjoy. Now, once my eye makeup is done, I'm just going to take my makeup remover wipes and I'm just going to wipe away the area where I want to put the shark bite because the latex won't stick to the makeup. Now I'm going to make sure it dries, but in the meantime I'll let you know what I'm doing. So I'm going to take an eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to sketch out the shark bite, kind of making like a scallop detail, and then I'm going to do the scales underneath. You'll see when I do it on myself, obviously, but it's always good to sketch it out first so you don't make a mistake and then it just looks like shit, so... So I think that's where I'm going to put it, and now I'm just going to fill in this area with little scales, just drawing little U shapes. So now that I have the area kind of like roughly sketched on, I'm going to start with the liquid latex and creating a cut around those lines. So what I end up using is liquid latex and just tissue paper or like toilet paper, anything you have, and I'm just gonna get that ready. The latex I use is from the Halloween store if you guys are curious, but you could literally get it anywhere, and I know the Ben Nye one is really good if you want to like invest in that. Okay, so I'm using a little paintbrush to apply the liquid latex. Definitely use something that you don't mind ruining because the liquid latex will ruin your brushes, so definitely keep that in mind. So it's going to look something like this. So I'm going to keep building up the latex. So what I'm going to do is put another layer of latex over this, then more tissue, then latex, then tissue, and I'm probably going to repeat this process about 5 times, which is going to be a while, so I will just be right back. So once you've done that process, it should look something like this, and it's okay if it looks messy because, you know, sharks aren't perfect when they bite into skin, so we're just going to take the end piece here and I'm just going to lift it up. And now you could cut some excess off if you'd like to. I might just cut a little bit. I'm just going to take my foundation and go around that part real quick. Now I'm just going to go over that scar with a little bit of red eyeshadow. And before I get to the blood and the fun stuff, I'm going to now fill in my scales. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow and fill in the whole scale. And then in the very center, I'm going to put like a light green color. And to do all this, I'm just going to use my Juvia's Place palette. This palette is so inexpensive and really, really great quality. And they now sell Juvia's Place at Ulta, so it's really easy to get. Popping the green in the center is just going to give it a lot more dimension. Now I'm going to take some red face paint and go around the wound and really make it look super bloody and gross. And after I get that on there, I'm just going to take my blending brush and blend it out a little. And I really want to make it messy. I don't want it to look so perfect, so I'm just feathering the blood out. Now I'm going to put my red lipstick on, because what would an Ariel tutorial be without red lipstick, a red wig, and some finishing bloody touches, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating it for you guys, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up for me. There will be Halloween videos all of this week, so you definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss out. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm on where we are. You could put an ocean between our love. It won't keep us apart. You could build a